When you think of AI, you probably think of software, data centers, chatbots, and people staring at screens. But what if the biggest AI revolution is happening in the physical world, in factories, on construction sites, and across our power grid? A16Z calls this American dynamism, and they're betting that in 2026, AI will fundamentally rebuild our industrial base. This is where bits miss atoms and is creating one of the biggest investment opportunity of our lifetime. Let's break it down. For decades, America has offshored manufacturing and underinvested in heavy industry. A16Z general partner David Alvich argues this is changing, and AI is the catalyst. The prediction is that the rise of an AI native industrial base. This isn't about bolting a sensor onto an old piece of machinery. It's about building new factories and new systems that are designed around AI from day one. This means using AI for simulation and design before anything is built. It means using computer vision to monitor every step of the production process for defects. And it also means using fleets of autonomous robots coordinated by a central AI to perform tasks that are dangerous or difficult for humans. It's about treating a factory not as a collection of machines, but as a single programmable organism. A fantastic example is the company Hadrian, which is building autonomous factories to make precision components for rockets and satellites. They're not just making the old process faster, they're creating a new software driven manufacturing paradigm. In energy, startups are using AI to design more efficient batteries or even new types of modular nuclear reactors. By simulating thousands of designs in software, they can find the optimal solution before spending billions on physical prototypes. This is what ACC&Z partner Aaron Price Wright calls the renaissance of the American factory. Even construction is being transformed. Companies are using AI to analyze architectural plans, optimize construction schedules, and deploy autonomous bulldozers and cranes to build faster and with less waste. For the economy, this is a massive shift. This is an opportunity to bring manufacturing back, but in a new high-tech form. This creates new kinds of jobs, not just for factory workers, but for the robotic engineers and software developers and AI specialists who build and run these new systems. For founders, it's a call to action to build in physical world. The problems are harder, the sales cycles are longer, but the modes are deeper. It's much harder to copy a robotic factory than it is to copy a web app. This is where real lasting value is being created. And the threat is to traditional industry companies that are too slow to adapt. The manufacturing giants of the 20th century will be disrupted by the AI native industrial companies of the 21st, just as Blockbuster was disrupted by Netflix. As an engineer and product manager, I find this incredibly inspiring. We've spent so long optimizing clicks and conversions. The idea of applying the same rigor and creativity to building things in the real world, to solving fundamental problems in energy, manufacturing, and logistics feels so much more meaningful. It's a reminder that technology's ultimate purpose is to improve the physical reality that we all live in. And what part of the physical world do you think needs an AI upgrade right now? Is it manufacturing, construction, or something else? Let me know in the comments and subscribe because in our next episode of this ACES and Z prediction series, we're diving into the wild world of crypto. Thank you for watching. Salut!